BJP MP Anurag Thakur's bizarre claim. The MP says, I think Hanuman was the fast-paced traveller. MP has rude textbook silence on scriptures, confusing between science and mythology. He says that perhaps Hanuman was the first to unified being in space. Listen.
मुझे तो लगता है हनुमान जी थे, क्योंकि हम अभी भी अपने आप को अभी तक ही देख रहे हैं। हम अपने हजारों वर्ष पुरानी परंपरा, ज्ञान, संस्कृति, जब तक हमें उसका ज्ञान नहीं होगा तो जो अंग्रेजों ने दिखाया हम वहीं तक सीमित होकर रह जाएंगे। तो मेरा फिर अनुरोध प्रिंसिपल महोदय से और आपके अध्यापकों से इतना ही रहेगा, टेक्स्ट बुक से बाहर निकल के जो हमारे वेद हैं, हमारी परंपराएं हैं, हमारा ज्ञान है, उस दिशा की ओर भी अगर हम मिलकर देखेंगे तो शायद बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलेगा।
I'm going to go straight across to Piyush for more details. Piyush, this statement of Anurag Thakur has since gone viral. And of course, the opposition and many others taking a dig at him, talking about Hanuman as the fast-paced traveller here. The opposition also asking, what about Neil Armstrong?
Well, certainly he was there in Una while he was addressing the students, Sneha. Anurag Thakur, he is also not only BJP MP, but he's also the former union minister. And while he was, talking to students, he asked questions, who is the first space traveler, to which the students replied Neil Armstrong. But he said that, it was Hanumanji. He is also saying that now the students must be taught about our culture, about our tradition, about our historical, historical culture, Indian culture, so that people and most especially students can know about our rich culture. To this statement, now we are seeing how there are various opposition leaders who are taking a dig at Anurag Thakur, though as of now there is no clarification coming in from BJP MP. But yes, this video of Anurag Thakur has gone viral, where various leaders are now raising a lot of questions on this.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. It's a video that has gone viral, raising several questions on what he said and why did he make this bizarre sort of a claim. Anurag Thakur had said that Hanuman, Lord Hanuman, was a fast-paced traveller. He was in fact speaking at an event. When he said this, listen to what he said.
मुझे तो लगता है हनुमान जी थे, क्योंकि हम अभी भी अपने आप को अभी तक ही देख रहे हैं। हम अपने हजारों वर्ष पुरानी परंपरा, ज्ञान, संस्कृति, जब तक हमें उसका ज्ञान नहीं होगा तो जो अंग्रेजों ने दिखाया हम वहीं तक सीमित होकर रह जाएंगे। तो मेरा फिर अनुरोध प्रिंसिपल महोदय से और आपके अध्यापकों से इतना ही रहेगा, टेक्स्ट बुक से बाहर निकल के जो हमारे वेद हैं, हमारी परंपराएं हैं, हमारा ज्ञान है, उस दिशा की ओर भी अगर हम मिलकर देखेंगे तो शायद बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलेगा।